Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello my dear viewers, once again welcome back to my channel. It's crocheted patterns. Guys, in this video I am going to show you very beautiful and pretty DIY crochet cushion covers, granny cushion covers. So guys, in this video you will see most beautiful designs of granny colorful cushion covers. In this video I will tell you how to make a gorgeous granny square cushion cover to brighten up your sofa. I was inspired by bright spring colors, but you can use any colors you like. In this video I will tell you what things you will need to stitch these beautiful cushion covers. So guys, what things you need: cotton yarn or any other yarn that doesn't felt when you wash it, crochet hook in a suitable size, large darning needle for sewing in the ends, pair of scissors, a 50 cm by 50 cm cushion insert not pictured. Step 1. Using white yarn, make a magic ring and secure with a stitch. Chain 2. Work 2 double crochets in the ring. Chain 1. Work 3 double crochet in the ring. Continue until you have 4 clusters of double crochet stitches, also called granny clusters. Cut the yarn and pull through the loop on your hook. Make a slip knot on your hook. We are going to make 2 granny clusters separated by a chain, 1 in each space. Crochet 1 granny cluster, 3 double crochets, chain 1, crochet another granny cluster. Do the same in all 4 corners. Your piece should now look square. Finish the round the same way we did in one step. Using your darning needle, you can now also sew in the leftover end of round 1 after you have pulled it tightly to close any gaps. Your square should now look like this. Step 3. Make a slip knot on your hook. Starting in the middle of one side, make a granny cluster. When you get to a corner, don't forget to subscribe my channel. In my next video I will show you many other ideas and many other designs. So thank you so much guys, take care of yourself. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please do not forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and other social sites. I will be back soon with my new videos with my new ideas. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Do remember me in your prayers. God bless you guys. Allah Hafiz.